Hello, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a floral card with a mannequin using Little Birdie Crafts products. So I have chosen the paper collection, which is called Birds and Berries. It has many pink and light purple papers, but I decided to use pink papers for my card and also some elements which I'm going to cut out of the collection. Gorgeous chipboard mannequin is also from Little Birdie Crafts, but if you have any chipboard mannequins or maybe die-cut mannequin at home, you could create similar card with me. I'm hoping to inspire you or to just give you an idea for your project. So I'm going to emboss my chipboard element with white embossing powder, and while I was doing that, I decided also to emboss few leaves on vellum, and I will use them to add to my composition. The stamp I used is also from Little Birdie Crafts. It comes with matching dies. It's a set, so there are some flowers in the set as well, but I used only leaves this time. Product list and the measurements for the card please find below the video in the description box. As you can see, I don't have many embellishments to do my card. I have a piece of lace and some die-cut leaves and beautiful Little Birdie Crafts flowers. So I will leave you with the music. You can see how I created the composition, and then I will talk to you at the end of the video. to add a little bit more texture to my composition, I'm using a piece of cotton lace which I'm ripping into very small pieces, creating some, I don't know even how to call it, but some pieces which will add a texture to the composition, an additional interesting element. And this will be it for today. Of course, I'm going to add splats to my card. You can skip that step if you want your card to be nice and clean. But I will use white acrylic paint mixed with water and a small brush to create white splats, and also I'm just going to add a little bit of paint on the flowers and leaves, and this will be it for today. I want to thank you very much for watching. Please visit Little Birdie Crafts Facebook page or Little Birdie Crafts Crafters Cafe. It's a group on Facebook. You can post your projects created with their products there. And if you will be inspired with my video, please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan, so I can find your project. Thank you very much. Have a lovely creative day. Bye!